Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why most businesses fail, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. Starting an online business is not easy. You have to be honest with yourself in the first place. That's the only way you can make changes and start your business. Lots of people are not willing to be honest with themselves and they come up with different reasons and stories why it's okay to be in the place where they are right now. They don't want to face the truth. It doesn't feel good and it's uncomfortable. You have to admit that you are not enough and open yourself to new opportunities. And a lot of people are scared to do that. But if you want to change your life, you have to develop courage. If you want to build a successful business, it takes courage, patience, and willingness to open yourself up. You have to face the reality and be honest with yourself. What is stopping you? Why are you afraid that your business will fail? So let me share with you 5 reasons why most businesses fail. First reason, lack of confidence. You don't believe in yourself, in the process, and in your business enough. If you are not confident, you can't be successful. You have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you won't take any action. How do you want to succeed without taking any action? If you lack confidence, you are not going fully into it. If you don't believe in yourself or your business, you are not gonna take any action towards it. You have to overcome these limiting beliefs and start trusting yourself more. You have to develop what I call believe in yourself muscle, because if you want to make changes, it has to start with you. You are the only reason and the only person who is stopping you from achieving your own goals. If you believe in yourself that you will be successful no matter what, and you are willing to work hard and take action, there is nothing that can really stop you. Start following successful people and see what they do. Start modeling them, because if they can do it, you can do it too. Second reason why most businesses fail is lack of focus. This one is huge. People get easily distracted from what they are doing. They are focusing on one thing and suddenly they get distracted by something else. They are building one business and maybe there is another opportunity and they jump onto that. They jump from one business to another. They don't finish the business. They do it for a little while and then they jump onto the next one. And they are wondering why they don't have any results. They don't have patience and they focus on the short-term goals. If you decide for one thing, put other businesses and distractions aside. Start focusing on this one thing and finish it. Think long-term and don't get distracted by something else. You have to be able to say no to other things and focus on your primary task. Say to yourself, I'm focusing on this. You have to learn to decide for one thing and start taking action towards it. Because if you focus on more things at once, you can get overwhelmed and frustrated and you will not get very far. Third reason, lack of taking action. Success requires a lot of work. It's not easy and many people are not willing to put in the work. They rather watch the TV or play video games to escape the reality. If you want to be successful in your life, you have to develop discipline and start working on yourself. This is the right time where you need to come up with all different reasons why you want to achieve your goals and be successful. You have to want it so bad that you are willing to do everything in order to achieve your goals. No matter how much work it will take, you will do it because it's important to you. You have to be willing to hustle and take action in order to move forward. If you want to have something more in your life, you have to do something that most people are not willing to do. Fourth reason, fear of investing money. In order to make money, you have to invest money first. You have to be able to invest into technology, into product, or ebook or some online course in order to become better version of yourself. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. There are people who are already successful and you can model what they do. Oftentimes, they have online courses or books that offer step-by-step tutorials and you can learn from them much faster. We are too focused on saving money. You have to shift the thinking and focus on investing into yourself or your product so you can make more money later in the process. You have to spend money in business in order to grow your online business. You have to invest money, and if you make some money, you have to reinvest some of them so you can make even more money. Every business requires money, so don't be afraid to invest your money into it. I said it before. You have to think long term. You invest now and you get back your investment later. Even if you fail, you learn something new. There is no such thing as failure. You either win or learn. And the fifth reason why most businesses fail is lack of patience. Plenty of people think short term. They think that they can build successful business overnight or in 1 week. The truth is, everything takes time. You have to trust the process and be patient in order to succeed. Some people try different things and they fail along the way. At the same time, they learn through the process what's working and what is not working, and they keep going until they succeed. It sounds easy, but it's not. And since they are thinking long term and they trust the process, they will not stop until they achieve their goals. You have to give up short-term thinking. You want to make a long-term sustainable business that can make you money over and over every single month, and it takes time. Embrace it and start thinking long term. Learn to be more patient and don't give up too early. Give yourself more time. If you want to start something new, give yourself 1, 2 or 3 years, or maybe 5 or even 10 years from now. You will see what happens if you take daily action for 5 years straight. I bet you can't even imagine that now. Now, look at yourself. Is there any reason that is applying to you? Is there something that is stopping you from achieving your goals? If yes, start working on that and improve yourself. It will take time, but you have to think long term. Trust me, it will be worth it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button and comment below. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.